This is my testing video for AQA A-Level Computer Science for my NEA project. And for my first objectives is when I start the program it should run. The program runs, so this is a pass. This time what we're going to do is we're going to do the manager side. So I'm gonna do all this again and make it for the manager this time. So fill in again. Keep forgetting to open it. Where's it gone? So the account password for the manager also works, so that is a pass. Now we're going to click the available stock and add some stock onto our tables. So I expect I want to press this available stock, it'll take me to the stocks page. It's done what I wanted to do, so that is a pass. It should also have created a table for the stock, which we will see now. Yes, table current stock, so that is also a pass. So if we start off with just pressing add stock with none of the fields filled in, it should come up with error message saying please fill in the required fields. Yes, the button does that, so that is a pass. Now we'll add in some products. So let's just do Nike. No, not Nike. Let's say quantity of 10 for $49.99. Now I expect I want to press add. It should add it onto the data grid and add it onto the table. Records added. Checking it is in the table. And it's on the data grid view, so the add stock button does what I wanted to do. That is a pass. Now as we just press the show record button, and the show record updates the current information onto a table, so the show button does what I wanted to do. That is also a pass. Now when I press update button, it should take the selected, well in this case just one record, but take the selected record and fill it into these boxes. The update button does what I want to do, so that is a pass. Now we're going to just delete this record. But when I press the delete button, I expect that the record will be deleted from this table and the database. So product deleted. Show record. It's been deleted from this table, and it has been deleted from the current stock table. So that is also a pass. Now I just need to add it back on for a second. This is 7. So now, when I press the main menu, you should take me back to the home screen, which it did, so that is a pass. Now we're going to press the customers, and it should direct me to the customers page. The button does what I want to do, so that is a pass. If I press add records with none of the fields filled in again, it should come up with not possible, as none of the fields been filled in. Please fill it in. So it comes up with, it does what I want to do, so that is a pass. So now we'll fill it in. Now we'll fill it in. Harry Maguire, because why not? It's G. Cardinal Newman College. 2, 3, 4. So now when I press add records, it should add the customer to this table and the database. So records added. Where's the one? Yeah. We can add it to the database and add to the table. So that is a pass. And that is a pass. As I just pressed showed record button, it should update the current information on the database to the data grid view, which it has done, so that is a pass. Now when I press this update button, it should do the same as the previous forms. Take the information selected and fill it into the fields here, so where you can then update the all information to make it more current and correct. The button does what I wanted to do, so that is a pass. So now we'll just change the number from 11 to 44. So now when I press save, it should change the number, or it should save the new number now onto the database and this table. So I'm going to press save. Updated. So now go here. 44. So that works. Show records. 44. So the save button does what I wanted to do. So that is a pass. Let's say now that the customer in this case wanted to close their account because they no longer want to shop with this company. There is a delete record that should remove their account from the database. So delete a customer. Okay. As you can see, he's been deleted from this table here, and also been deleted from this table here. So the delete button is also a pass. When I press the main menu button, I expect it's going to take me back to the home page. That button does what I want to do, so that is a pass. But for the sake of the test, I need to add a customer in quickly. Let's make sure there's some records. Yes, there is. As you can see, the home page has updated the customers, saying how many customers we have on hand right now, which is 1. Now when I press this view orders button, it should take me to an ordering page of what the customer would want. The button does what I want to do, so that is a pass. In this case of the testing, this right here is the primary key of the orders, and this table has the primary key of the orders, and this table has the foreign key / primary key, so composite key of the table, but it's like a more detailed version. So let's say the product in hand, which is this one, let's say we want 1 right now, and the customer being this person, let's say they want 1 to buy this. When I press complete order, I expect it to when I press the product ID select, it should have filled out all of this, which has done, so that's a pass. And same for the customer, which has done, so that is also a pass. When I press complete order, it should say order confirmed or something like that. Records added. Let's see. Oh no, not that one. Yep, view orders. And view orders detail is added to a database. So that is a pass. Now if I was to do update tables, it should take the information from the database and put it onto these separate ones. So the update table does what I wanted to do, so that is also a pass. When I press the main menu button, it should take me back to the home page. It has done that, so that is a pass. Since we ordered a quantity of 1 and we had a quantity of 10, it should have updated the other current stocks table and put it to 9, because it's obviously 1 has been taken off. Oh no, 7 before. Yeah, so that works. That's a pass. Now we're going to go on the returns button, and it should open this page, which it has done, so that is a pass. So we're gonna select this order that we just made, and let's see the user returning or like the whole order in general. So we're gonna select the product ID again, which one it was, and the button should obviously take the fields and put it into this, which it has done, so that is a pass. When I press confirm refund, it should confirm the return, add it onto the returns table with this information, and it should also add 1 back onto this quantity, so this should be 7. Confirmed. Refund successful. Where's it gone here? 7, so that's done what I wanted to do. table returns. It's added the return onto here, so that works. Just as you see, is put onto here, so that works. So that is a pass. When I press the main menu button, it should take me back to the home page. That works, so that is a pass. Now we're going to order stock for when the company supply is low. So it's so let's just order again so that the stocks is low. 5. That is, so when you go to the main menu now, it should say critical stock because it's below a certain level I've assigned it to. Product in critical stock, please order more. Yeah, so that does what I wanted to do. I can see here which product it is, well, the product ID and how much of it we have left. And it also comes up with an automatic button to or reorder that specific, so we can see that this product ID belongs to this one here, tech release 2, with the quantity 2. So now if we press this button, it should automatically do it for us. That doesn't work, so that is a fail. So we have to do this manually then. Press the order button, it should take us to the order page, which it has done, so that is a pass. When I select the product ID, it should fill out this table with the information. Well, it should just select that product ID actually. Does what I want to do, so I guess that is a pass. So let's say I want to order 10 of this, and I expect it to arrive next month on a Friday. When I press order product, it should put it into this order, like supply order, and then supply order detailed. Order made, main menu, go back. Okay, we don't. Go back here. As you can see, it's done what I want to do. So the order product button is a pass, as it has also added it to here, the database, so that is a pass. Press the main menu, should take me back to home, which has done, so that is also a pass. And that is all for my testing. Doing the staff side of things on so the access level controls. So my bad. So let's say, so now we're gonna make a staff, and full name we'll do someone else. Now we'll do, let's see. Oh, why am I finding it hard to? Let's just do Jack. You know, Sparrow. Why not? JS Gmail. Make sure to get that L in this time. Spell it properly. Let's do Sparrow. Which how many? Oh, that didn't work properly this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Because that's just quick enough. Why is my laptop freezing? If this would like to work, I could continue with this, but currently my laptop's freezing every time I'm making this testing. As you can see here, let's create the account for staff this time. So now we'll go back and we'll add in the email. Oh no, gmail.com, and it was Sparrow123. See if I spelled that right. Yes, I did. Login, and when I press that button, is now redirected me to the customer side of the page. So the button does what I want to do, so that's a pass. Now, because the obviously manager has more access control, as they pretty much run this whole situation, where they can see when the next batch of orders are coming, how much is on hand, what they need to order and all that. But staff, however, have very limited control. They can only they can only see the customers. They can only do much with customers, current stock, and delivered stock. But that's about it. So I'm going to press the customers button, where it should take to a very, very similar page as we already seen in the manager's side for the customers, and it should just open that. As you can see, it does what I want to do. The button does what I want to do, so that's a pass. And as this is basically just a mirror version of the manager's side, and so when I press the home button, it should take me back. The button does what I want to do, so that's a pass. Press current stock, it should take me to the... It should basically show the staff member how much stock is on hand, but that's about it. They can't see the price, or they can't see the ID or anything like that. And when I pressed it, it took me to the next page, so this button does what I wanted to do. That's a pass. As you can see here, it does what I want to, it does what I wanted to do, so that works. Delivered stock, same. They can see what has been delivered to the store, and that's it. As you can see, only the text fleece has been delivered to store. They shouldn't be able to see price. I need to change that, but otherwise, this is a pass as well. And this system I've made is based on the fact that it's made for like in-store type of system. So it's not like an online or anything. It's for a in-store system for the manager and the staff members. And that's my project done.